Good afternoon, everyone. So my name is Gilham from the Bristol Centre for Supercomputing, which is part of the university. So I'm here to tell you very, very briefly about the Isambard-AI supercomputer. Simply, Isambard-AI supercomputer is an unprecedented amount of computational power for the UK and for the University of Bristol. It exists already. Isambard-AI is being delivered in 2 phases. Phase 1 is up and running, being used for research right now, covering all sorts of different things such as LLM fine-tuning, for example, for UK-specific languages, drug discovery, medical imaging, and lots of different aspects like that. Phase 2 is coming along in summer. I saw it in person last week, and that will be powered on in the next month or so. And we are thinking very, very carefully, making it accessible to as many different researchers as possible. There are 2 access routes I want to highlight to you. There's the main access route through DSIT, the government, and there's also University of Bristol allocation, which is actually an incredibly powerful resource in the top 100 of supercomputers worldwide when it comes on. We tailor our user experience to help with people that have traditional computational computer science skills, but also for people that are coming from different areas as well. We respect how you use your software. We don't want to get in your way. We want you to be able to use it. And there's lots of layers we're thinking about. Data security, for example. We're speaking to people how to use UK biobank data and so on and so forth. So really trying to make it accessible. Please come and give me a look if you want to know more. Thank you.